Canadian Timberframes is located in Golden, British Columbia, Canada. We are a world-class manufacturer of high-grade Douglas fir timber structures. We are bringing the pinnacle in timber frame and mass timber processing to our industry partners and our clients throughout North America. One of the advantages of our location, because we are vertically integrated, is the proximity to our raw material.
It goes from the log in the yard all the way to the finished products. We provide the whole service for the client.
The material scopes that we can provide go anywhere from designing and manufacturing timber frame components, but also provide wall panels, insulated roof structures, siding packages, floor packages, windows and doors. Having an on-site design team allows us to support our ability to make changes as things evolve. We pride ourselves in being incredibly open and accepting of projects that many companies might find as a little too complicated or out of the norm. Recently, we did a huge expansion, adding 10,000 square feet to our current facility in Golden, BC. This expansion primarily allowed us to introduce a brand new K2i 1300 machine with 6-axis robot. This equipment is state-of-the-art and is one of the most advanced pieces of equipment in North America. It's an absolute game changer for our company and for our team.
The expansion gave us the opportunity to focus on more complex and sophisticated designs that our in-house design team was already capable of building, but we didn't have the technology that could get it to market. So the expansion really married the two parts of our business together of high sophistication in our design and high precision in our manufacturing.
We have incorporated some core values into our business, and one of our top core values is that we earn the right to our client's business.
For me, commitment to service is making sure our customer gets the best experience possible.
It's all about also building the right team. So we're here to help the client building the right team and getting the right people around them to have a successful project.
We often are involved with clients for over a year. So it's over-communicating, it's being incredibly transparent with what's going on at any time, and being honest and committed to their project. Our 25 successful years in business really comes down to two things, and that is quality product and commitment to service.
When we sat down to build our roadmap for this company, we wanted to be the destination for top talent. And I think that we have really achieved that. The quality of individuals here at Canadian Timberframes are just top in their field.
They're passionate about what they do and the quality that we're trying to achieve here.
They're really focused on delivering the best client experience that we can deliver.
We have a rich history. We've been in the Valley since 1999. And the way that we're evolving is with the industry and the demand that we're seeing.
It's exciting for us to meet clients on their site for a site visit after projects are up, or as we say, the timber's gone vertical, and being able to get them in that space and to have them truly emotional almost that this thing has come together the way they envisioned it. You literally get a client that you approach with a handshake and they reach out and give you a hug. To be able to be part of that is super special.
We're proud of what we've achieved thus far, and we're not going to stop. We want to keep growing. We want to keep delivering on great client experience, and I think that's what drives and motivates us as a business.